Easy to use, made of high-quality PE, sturdy, non-slip and not easy to rip. Your hand and foot can slide inside nicely. Use after dipping the hands and feet in Paraffin Wax Dip Spa Kit, which can well keeps the wax from dripping on the floor's countertop. Also helps with keeping the temperature of the wax around hands and feet, and containing the mess and lock in additional moisture. Package content: totally 200 counts of liners, included 100 counts of plastic gloves, 100 counts of foot covers, and 200 of stickers. It is convenient and economical. Corresponding amount of stickers can tighten up the cuff of liners, making you enjoy the benefit a hot wax treatment can bring about without wax mess. Multi-application, ideal for personal daily hands and feet skincare for women. Men, home wax spa DIY, professional spa, lotion cream protector covers. Great for paraffin wax bath, hot wax therapy, therabath, pedicure, wax care treatment to relieve the pain of joints, rough toe heel calluses, leg aching, arthritis, fibromyalgia and other chronic disease. Besides, it can help you moisturize hands feet that look like the Sahara Desert, making rejuvenated and beautified your dry hands and feet. Important note: directly pour the hot wax directly into the liners might exceed the liner's melting point. Please dip your hands or feet into wax first, then put them into the liners to avoid overheating the liners. Top reviews from the United States. Very happy with these. I have raw wax both hands daily. I was using lightweight food storage type bags, not zip top. Because they were short, I kept having wax get on the towel that I wrap hands in after applying wax bagging. Plus, the longevity of the bag was limited due to the type of plastic.